Well, you saw the inside is pretty nasty. See the air cleaner over here? They got soap residue on it.
Yeah. Here's the wipe.
Doesn't do anything for rust, obviously. So you get it really, really clean, inside and out. See it? Yeah, I just wiped something on there. You back again? What's this? What's this? What is this? I'm gonna take out the trash. I gotta take out the trash. It's over there. Go get it. Another 11. 111. Well, you got your towel right there, don't you? Let's see what happens up there. Watch the bubbles there. Okay, don't bite on my hand. Hear that going through it?
Yeah. Very good.
Feel it too. Wipe it down. I knew that would. Okay. And it won't re-rust for years. I know, I showed those help, they were 2-3 years old and they were still like, look like that. That is clean. Run your fingers across it, smooth.
It is. It's like gloss. You can feel it through
Oh yeah, it's smooth as hell.
It really is. It's weird. It almost feels like it has a coating on it.
It's not really a coating. It's like a Teflon ceramic coating. It's super, super fine. Now you got pull yours up. My tank's getting all dirty here. That looks a little bit better than it did before.
Yeah, that's impressive.
And still got the muck in the bottom. See, that's going to have to be scrubbed out. It's not hard enough to come out. And the hammer handle's hot. So it doesn't take the corrosion off, but it cleans everything else. I don't think your wood's going to be happy being wet, but oh well. Okay, now this, look at that wipe real quick across the top. Just wipe it across the top. Just want to get the soap suds off. Okay, that's all I need. Carry it away. Yeah, see now it's all chrome across there. It's no more yellowish. It's like the inside now. It's not as shiny as this one, it looks like, but this is more yellow. It's older chrome.
How free that is now.
We're starting to get this stuff. We're finally starting to do something on these darn silver here, but it's lazy. What you got? How's it look? How's the inside? Still dirty. Why don't you wipe it up?
I did. I was working on it.
You did a very good
I
job.
get your finger in there so far, though.
I got my finger in there. That's soft stuff.
That's impressive. It's soft. It is. It's soft stuff. It's like.
That's why it's not cutting. It's just
It's wiping out of there.
soft. Give me my towel. You stole my towel. There's my towel right here.
Let's run it again, but let's set it down like
Open
this.
it up. Open it up. Look at that.
I mean, it wipes out with a paper towel, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a paper towel is wet, which means I got no strength at all. Okay, we need to block this open somehow.
You can stick a...
Stick a wrench in it. Here, hey, up here. Go grab a wrench. Like a T. Allen wrench, something like that. Screwdriver. Let's grab a screwdriver. Small handle, smooth screwdriver. Or a small pair of pliers would work too.
Too big?
Too big.
This guy.
Too big. Ah. my fingers in there when you're pushing like that. Give me something small. Way smaller than that. I know you got the perfect thing. You just got to bring it over here so we can use it. We're going to open this up all the way, whatever that does. You got, there you go. You're right there. Perfect. That's perfect. Okay, that'll let the air molecules do what they want to do. I'll try that. It's hot. Okay, why don't you scrub on this a little bit?
Get it wet.
Have to read it here. There's some wetness right here. Pick it up. Lay it down. Just lay it down. There you go. You got a little steel wool?
Yeah.
We'll do the silver on this.
Double lot stuff.
Yeah, quad ought to be best, but yeah, whenever you got this real fine. I'm gonna try to take the tarnish off of this and clean her up a little bit.
Here's that double lot stuff, triple lot. Just take the whole thing.
Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit to this. A little bit.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Burning my fingers. Now that's taking care of the corrosion. Water's finally starting to cool off a little bit. Those are going to look nice now. You want to use steel wool, not the not bristles or wire or anything like that. Definitely not those green or red scrub pads. They're way too aggressive. An SOS pad might be okay, but it's a little aggressive too, I think. Just sponge would be not quite enough to do it, but it'd help. You know, if we did this to our chain, it really would bring that thing up, because it still had that yellow on it. Doesn't want to come off. This is going to look like new. Still can't beat the old-fashioned way of doing stuff. You gotta have to clean a little bit. Okay, looking good? Stand that up on the corner. Soap off my hands.
Just a touch low to get all the way there. Goes up all the way up to the top though, almost.
Oh, we're using up water. Get some water. Big gallon of water.
Hold on, not yet.
I'm gonna put a gallon of water in this.
Alright, I know what to bring.
Get some hot water. Yeah, hot water. Alright, we're gonna be back. We're at 100. Oh, we're up to 150 finally. Okay, we're gonna fill this thing up all the way so the carburetor is completely immersed in liquid. We'll be back.